Hello, level sevens. Today we're going to do a quick warm up, okay? This is something I love to do in class, and it shows us how to use our breath and our words to warm up before we make a presentation or before we're having a conversation. We're just going to learn how to do a little bit of that. So be open-minded. Okay. So when we breathe, all right, we have to have enough breath in our lungs to be able to project, which means to push out our voice so people can hear us, all right? So if you don't have enough breath, things could be a problem. So the first thing we want to do before a presentation, for example, is just, roll your shoulders back. Gently put your head from side to side, okay? Make sure your shoulders are on top of your hips and your legs are straight. Okay, and then try and take a really deep breath from your stomach in, okay? I'm going to do it with you. 1, 2, 3. Exhale means when you blow out, okay? So we're going to inhale, and then we're going to go, ah. And in that ah is all your stress from core and from whatever is stressing in your life, all right? So just let out only as much breath as you need to keep saying ah. And normally when I do this in class, I have students, everybody should stand in a circle. So maybe try it with your family or somebody that you know, and you're going to take a really big breath in and then say ah when you're exhaling. And then when you have no more breath, then you sink down to the ground or you sit down. Okay, so let's try it together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, did you last longer than me? I hope you did, because I stopped early because I don't want to make this video too long. All right, so try this breathing exercise before you're starting to record something, maybe if you're a little bit shy, or before you have a presentation, okay? Now, another part of our body we need to warm up besides our lungs is our mouth and our face, okay? So you can gently, this is kind of funny, but it feels really good. Just massage the sides of your cheeks, okay? Like this. Just massage your cheeks. Move your lips around, because in every language we use our tongue and our lips and our cheeks in a completely different way, okay? So make sure everything's kind of loose, your lips. Sometimes I even move around the rest of my face, okay? And now we're going to try some really specific pronunciation or articulation exercises, okay? So I'm going to try it once, and I want you to repeat after me. We'll do it slowly, and then we'll do it a little bit more quickly, okay? So let's give it a try. Here we go. S, sh, s, sh. See, notice when I'm saying s, my lips are spread apart, and you can see my teeth. And when I'm saying sh, my tongue is behind my teeth, and my lips are out, okay? Lucky they're warmed up. Okay, let's try it one more time. S, sh, s, sh, s, sh, s, sh, s, sh. Good. Try it lots of times. And let's think of one of the words from our play. Salish, salish, salish. We've got an S and a sh in the same word, okay? So that's why these little exercises are useful. S, sh, sh. Here's another one, the sound okay? It's the schwa in English. So, ak, da, ba, da, ak, da, ba, da, ak, da, ba, da, ak, da, ba, da, ak, da, ba, da. Good. Now let's put those two sounds together, okay? We'll say each line twice. S, sh, s, 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 ak, da, ba, da, ak, da, ba, da. All right, you ready for the next one? This is a B sound, B, not P. Puh. We're not spitting out the air. We're keeping it in and we're saying ba. So you put your lips, tuck them in, put them together, and then say ba, ah. The sound goes back, not out. Okay, so bree, bray, bree, bray, bree, bray, bree, bray, bree, bray, bree, bray. S, sh, s, sh, s, sh. Ak, da, ba, da. Ak, da, ba, da. Bree, bray, bree, bray, bree, bray, bree. Good. All right. How are you feeling? I bet you're happy you warmed your muscles up, aren't you? All right. So here's another really fun one. And I really encourage you to get some people from your family, if your kids or something. These are kind of fun things to do. And we're going to build on them and do some limericks and different kinds of things, okay? But here's another one. Hey, ho. Hey, ho. So our mouth is very open. Hey, and then out. Ho. Hey, ho. Hey, ho. Hey, ho. Are you doing this with me? I hope so. All right, so let's start from the beginning and make all our sounds together. All right. S, sh, s, sh, s, sh. Ak, da, ba, da. Ak, da, ba, da. Bree, bray, bree, bray, bree, bray, bree, bray. Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Mini, manny, mini, Manny. I wish I could get a mini Manny. Mini Manny, mini Manny, mini Manny. It's really fun if you say them all super fast. Okay, so let's try 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. S, sh, s, sh, s, sh. Ak, da, ba, da. Bree, bray, bree, bray. Hey, ho, hey, ho. Okay, I think you guys are ready. That was our quick introduction to articulation. Oops, I want to go back. Okay, so now that everybody's totally warmed up, we are going to record another mini monologue this week. All right, so let's review that a monologue is a speech made by one actor to an audience. Okay, and to make this speech really great, we need to think about the following. And our last mini Flipgrids were really good. Some people thought about everything and they were just fabulous. All right, but we need to think about the setting. Okay, so where are you? Are you in the office? Are you in the bathroom? Are you in your living room? Are you outside in a library? Okay, props. What props can you use? Like, do you need to have some glasses nearby? Do you need a pen? Maybe a glass? All right, these are all different little props you can use. And then there's setting props, okay, like chairs, tables, windows. Costume, is there anything you can wear that's going to make you look a little bit more exciting? Okay, so for example, just bear with me here. Oops, sorry. Now suddenly I'm a cowboy, okay, because I have a hat on. One easy costume thing, all right? You put a scarf on, maybe you're an old lady. I just recommend putting things on and making a really fun costume. It can make your play really fun right away. Okay. What's next? Storyline. Okay, so now you need a little storyline. So far our monologues have been pretty short, and normally they are. So, but you really do need to decide, are you going to make it funny, sad, mysterious? I like funny because I like to make people laugh, but sometimes it's an interesting exercise to do some other emotions. Okay, so I have an idea. I want us to watch a short monologue. I don't know if anybody has watched the show Friends before, but it's a pretty popular show, okay? And in this monologue, there's Bruce Willis, a famous actor, and he is getting ready to go on a date, and he is trying to motivate himself to be confident, okay? So this is a little bit grainy, but I want us to watch it. You can also click on the website or Google it to be able to find this. It's pretty easy. Okay, so it's here. This is the one. It's called Bruce Willis in Friends, YouTube. Let's give it a watch.
Let's relax, Paul. You're doing great. She likes you. She likes you. She likes you. You know why? Because you're a neat guy. You are the man. You are man. Still got it. Still sexy. I'm just a love machine. I'm just a love machine.
Okay, that is one of the funniest things I've ever seen. He's a totally great guy. All right, but what I want us to look at here is how did he fulfill all of the things that we were talking about, okay? Let's look at this here. Where is he? Where is he? Okay, it looks like he's in a room, maybe a bedroom. We know this because there's a mirror, some lamps, and a bed. So I'm guessing he's in a bedroom. What props did he use? Well, he pretty much didn't have any props. I guess you could say the mirror is a prop because it makes the setting. It's something that he's interacting with. So I would say the mirror would be a great prop. What is he wearing? Well, he's wearing a shirt, but notice it's kind of unbuttoned, so he's getting ready to go on a date. He thinks he just looks like a total hunk. And the story. What is his story? Well, in this video, he's getting ready to go on a date. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is I also want you to, I want to go to the next slide. I want you to record your own voice, okay? And I want you to do a monologue of yourselves. You can go directly to the Flipboard site right here. I've also got this in your email to you, but you can go to our Flipgrid site, okay? And I've titled it Going Out. And what you need to do is watch the short monologue of Bruce Willis. Well, we've just done that together, so that's okay. But if you missed it, you can watch it here. There's a link. And now I want you to pretend that you are getting ready to go somewhere. It doesn't have to be on a date. It could be really anywhere. At the moment, you could just pretend you're getting ready to go to the grocery store during COVID times, okay? But you can also be creative, okay? Maybe you're getting ready to go to the hospital to have a baby, or maybe you are getting ready to get married, or maybe you're getting ready to tell your boyfriend that you're breaking up with him. So be creative, and whatever you do though, make sure you tell us where you are going, okay? Like what you are getting ready for, where you're going, and how you are feeling about this. Okay? All right, so that's it for today. I hope you have a lot of fun. As you can see, I haven't yet posted a video, but the fun will come, don't worry, and I will comment on yours when you post them. All right, have a good day.